In this video, we're going to show you how to use a mobile phone app to access your tasks on Teams and submit work to your teachers.
So firstly, you will want to go to the App Store and download the Microsoft Teams app, like so. So now I'm going to open the Teams app and I will sign in with my account.
Okay, and I'll mention at this point here, if you find it difficult to log in, maybe you've forgotten your username and password, you can always contact the school. You can do so by phone or by email. If you need support by email, you can go to help@cmat.support, help@cmat.support, or you can call in at 0300 666 0300. Okay.
So here on the little bell, I can see the activity of who's mentioned me and assignments that have been set. Here is a calendar, so it tells me my lessons and when an assignment has been set. And then if you go here, you have all your teams that you've been put into. So when the letters are bold, it means you have an unread assignment. So if I go onto my maths, I have an assignment here, which is week 7, lesson 1. So if I want to view that, it gives you the date of when it's due, when it was set, and a brief instruction on how to do it. And there's sometimes a link for videos or information sheets. So if I click on my assignment, so this is my assignment and I've already done my work. So I'll go to my work and I'll press add work. I'll go upload from this device, take photo or video, access the camera, and we can take a picture of your work, and you're going to use that photo and it will upload, and that's where you click hand in.
Cool. And at this point in time, your teacher will be able to review your work, look over what you've done, and offer you some personalized feedback through the Teams app as well. Okay, so that's our quick overview of how to access your work and complete work and also submit it via the Teams app on mobile. There's also a video on how to do so on a PC, and we'll show you that as well.